The Karnataka High Court will hear the Chinnaswamy Stadium Stampede case today at 2:30 p.m., a day after 11 people died and many were injured in a horrifying tragedy during RCB's IPL 2025 title celebration. Fans who waited for hours in the scorching heat were misled by rumours of ticket distribution. Misinformation and poor crowd control created a deadly storm outside the stadium. 6 dead at Bowring Hospital, 4 at Vydehi and 1 at Manipal. CM Siddaramaiah called the incident heartbreaking, announced 10 lakh rupees compensation per family and ordered a magisterial probe. Action will be taken if anyone is found guilty, he said. 47 outpatients received treatment and all expenses will be covered by the government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expressed deep sorrow, calling the incident absolutely heartrending.